Hey, what's happening, everybody? This is Rivera here, and I just want to give you guys a quick tip on the Nikon Z6. Um, I'm used to the old DSLRs where you could just put on the menu tabs, switch from JPEG to RAW, or sometimes there's already a button on top of the Nikons where you could just switch the format. On your Nikon Z6, you had to put the I format. Let me show you and show you what I'm talking about. So I'm used to having something along the lines of up here for the mode. I can change the JPEG, or somewhere around here for the Nikon DSLRs, older Nikon DSLRs. For this Nikon Z6, I have this little I button right here. And it's going to tell you right off the bat the image quality. So you press enter for this one, and then you're going to have your JPEG, you're going to have your RAW, and then you're going to have both, where you can get RAWs and JPEGs at the same time. That is just basically it. It took me a while to still keep remembering that I would have to go through that format in order to get that mode, because on menu I try to find it, but it's not the same where you could just click of a button right here, you could get your options right there. So here's another prime example. I have the Nikon D500, and see how I have the quality? I can hold that button and it can tell me the format from RAW to JPEG normal. So that's the difference between the Nikon Z6 and regular DSLRs. Older ones are similar like that, and they have their own little methods. But I noticed this for several trends already, that people are asking, how do you get the JPEG to RAW format? So I thought I'd share it. I've seen 2 or 3 already requests for how to get RAW formats. Some people just bought the Nikon Z6, so they're wondering how to change those formats. And it's a legit question. I honestly didn't know. So hopefully this helps. Give a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.